Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll learn about the bytes and byte array types in Python. Let's start with byte types. In Python, the bytes type represents an immutable sequence of bytes where each value is an integer between 0 and 255. It's commonly used for handling binary data such as reading from files, processing images, or sending data over a network. So let's understand with an example here what does we mean it. So here we have written it like a small code like data equals byte 65 66. Let's make this 67 and we'll say that print the data. So once we say print data, it gives B ABC. So what does it mean? So here each number corresponds to an ASCII code forming a binary sequence. If we make this like say 68, it's going to give us like ABD because that's the ASCII code for T. Creating bytes objects. There are several ways to create the bytes object from a list of integers, from a string with encoding, from a string of encoding, and from another bytes object. Remember, bytes are immutable, meaning you can't change them, then it's once created. So let's see and work with bytes. So working with bytes, let's see how to use bytes in action. So here we have already written. See, here we have like p is equal to p of Python, print p of 0. Okay, and then we have print p of 1 to 4. So here, uh, let's just run only this bit of code. So what does it mean? It's giving us the value of p, that is for 0, it means p. Let's point axis, it means p, and it is giving a value of 80, like 80. And when we are like saying print 1 is to 4, like from 1 to 4, it's giving us YTH 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. YTH. Okay. So like it will stop at n minus 1, that is at 3. Okay, so this is what it means. And we will say for byte in B, print byte end. Let's understand what does it gives us. This shows that each byte represents the numeric value of the character. So it gives a numeric value of each of the characters that are into this Python word. The byte array type. Now let's talk about the byte array type. Byte array type, it's a mutable version of bytes. You can modify its content directly, which makes it perfect for tasks like editing binary files or manipulating raw data streams. So let's see with an example. Here we have like array of byte array 65, 66 and 67. When we say array of 0, print array. So it gives us byte array be TBC. So it gives us like bytes. Here you can change the individual elements. So when we see array of 0, it is going to like replaces 65 with 68 and gives us like TBC. So that's the ASCII like code for it. So you can create a byte array objects in multiple ways, just like bytes from a list of integers. We can create from a string from another bytes objects in Python. So modifying and extending the byte array. Let's see how multiplication works in practice. So here we have like byte array b of Python, date of 0, and we are saying ORT change. That this means change p to j and data.append 33 add like asterisk at the end. Okay, so let's see what it means is. So here see the output, it's giving us Jython instead of Python. So with bytearray you can treat and binary data like an editable list of bytes and efficient, which is flexible. Comparing bytes and bytearray. Bytes, immutable, faster, ideal for fixed binary data such as network packets or files headers. Bytearray, mutable, slower but more flexible, great for editing data in binary. Both support slicing, iteration, and conversion between encoding. In practice, use bytes when data doesn't change and bytearray when you need to modify it. Encoding and decoding are key operations when converting between text and binary data. So, encoding turns a string into bytes and decoding turns byte back into the C. This is crucial for file input output, network communication, and data serialization. Let's quickly summarize what we have learned. The bytes type is an immutable sequence of bytes values ideal for read-only binary data. The byte array type is mutable, allowing you to edit and extend data in memory. Both are essential for encoding, decoding, and handling binary files efficiently in Python. Thanks for watching this video.